Hope you had a great time. Hope to see you down there next year. In fifth place from Linden, Utah, number 416, Kyle and Ali Spender. Fourth place comes to us from Charlotte, North Carolina, number 154, Dimitri Salamaka and Gabriela Sedillano. Now in third place, finishing third in all the standard dances, fourth in samba, fourth in cha-cha, fifth in rumba, fourth in hostility, third in jive. From Redmond, Washington, couple 670, Dimitri Vorobiev and Ksenia Savenka. In second place, finishing second in the night of the dances, first in possibility. From Fairlawn, New Jersey, couple 222, Tarasovitsky and Sylvia Gavovitsky. And your winners and our representatives to the World Championship in Oslo in November this year. From Hawthorne, New Jersey, couple 467. Sasha Teresica and Rosina Mazur. Finishing first in 9 dances.